Hello everyone, I am Bhumi Garg and this is my project for CS50 web development using Python and JavaScript. This project is a fully functional email client where users can send emails, view their inbox, read emails, archive them and reply to messages. I'll demonstrate all the features step by step. Let's start by registering as a new user. This user will be used to send the mail. Once registered, we are taken to the inbox. Now let's compose a new email by clicking on compose. In the compose form, we will enter the recipient's email address to whom we are sending, the subject of a message, the body. Once we hit submit button, a post request is made and we are redirected to the sent mailbox. In the sent mailbox, we can see the mail we just sent with recipient's name, the timestamp, the message and the body. Now let's log out and log in back as another user to whom we sent the message to see what happened on the other side. Emails in the inbox are displayed with the sender, subject, timestamp. Unread emails have a white background while read emails have a gray background. When we click on an email, it opens up to show all its details like the recipient, the sender, the subject, the timestamp and the message body. Viewing an email also marks it as read. Notice here the background of the email turned gray, indicating that it's read. Let's archive this email by clicking on archive button. Now we are redirected to the archive mailbox. Behind the scenes, a put request is sent to update the archive status of the email. In the archive mailbox, we can see the email we just archived. If we want to unarchive it, we will click on it and we will click unarchive button and the email return to the inbox section. Here we can see that also. Finally, let's reply to this mail by clicking on the reply button. Here we can see that the form is pre-filled with some information like the person to whom we are sending, the message to which we are replying and the message which was originally there. We can remove this and we can send the message again. So like this we can send the message as a reply also. And that's the demonstration of my email client. We saw how to register, compose and send emails, view emails with read and unread functionality, archive and unarchive emails and reply to messages. This project demonstrates the use of JavaScript for a single page application along with Python for the backend. Thank you for watching.